Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS RC P-51 Mustang Redtail is a premium remote control warbird aircraft designed for adult hobbyists and aviation enthusiasts. Modeled after the legendary World War II fighter, the 6-channel RC airplane delivers an authentic flight experience with scale realism and powerful performance. With a wingspan of 1,700 mm (66.9 inches), it's a large-scale model that offers impressive visibility in the sky and stable flight characteristics. This version comes in P&P, plug-and-play, format, which means it includes the essential components like the motor, ESC, and servos pre-installed, but excludes the radio transmitter, receiver, battery, and charger, allowing experienced pilots to customize with their preferred gear. The aircraft is equipped with functional flaps, LED navigation lights, and electronic retractable landing gear, enhancing realism and improving landing/takeoff performance. Built from lightweight yet durable EPO foam, the model is both resilient and lightweight, contributing to smooth flight dynamics. The P-51's iconic red tail design pays tribute to the Tuskegee Airmen, giving it historical significance and striking visual appeal. Thanks to its powerful brushless motor setup and aerodynamic efficiency, the P-51 Mustang Redtail is capable of both smooth cruising and high-speed aerobatics. This RC plane is ideal for intermediate to advanced RC pilots looking for a warbird that offers historical style, functional features, and commanding in-air presence. Note, as a P&P version, buyers must provide their own transmitter, receiver, LiPo battery, and charger. Suitable for experienced flyers familiar with assembly and radio setup. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volentexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is a beginner-friendly 4-channel remote control airplane designed for kids, adults, and novice pilots. With a 500 mm wingspan and a durable, lightweight frame, this red aircraft delivers stable flight performance thanks to its integrated 6-axis gyro stabilizer, making it easier to control even for first-time flyers. This ready-to-fly, RTF, package includes everything needed to get started right out of the box. It features 3 flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing users to gradually build their skills. In beginner mode, the gyro provides maximum stability and helps prevent crashes. Intermediate mode allows more manual control while still offering some stabilization, and expert mode gives full control for advanced flying maneuvers. One standout feature is the propeller saver design, which helps protect the plane's motor and shaft during crashes by detaching the propeller on impact and allowing easy reattachment. This thoughtful addition extends the lifespan of the plane and reduces maintenance. The powerful cordless motor ensures enough thrust for smooth takeoff and responsive handling, while the 2.4 GHz transmitter provides interference-free control at a range of up to 656 feet, 200 meters. A rechargeable battery is included, delivering up to 10 minutes of flight per charge. Overall, the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub is a well-balanced RC trainer aircraft, offering great value, durability, and ease of use for beginners, kids, and hobbyists looking for a reliable entry point into remote control aviation. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5 MBNF Basic, EFL 15250, by E-Flite is a versatile and powerful RC airplane designed for intermediate to advanced pilots seeking short takeoff and landing, STOL, capabilities in a durable, feature-rich airframe. With a wingspan of 1.5 meters and rugged construction, it handles a variety of flying environments, from grass fields to water, with confidence. This version comes bind-and-fly basic, meaning it's ready to bind to a compatible Spectrum DSMX/DSM2 transmitter, sold separately. It includes AS3X stabilization for smoother handling in windy conditions and Safe Select technology for optional flight envelope protection, making it easier to fly for less experienced pilots. The turbo timber features a 3S/4S compatible brushless motor and ESC setup, offering excellent power for vertical climbs and dynamic aerobatics. It's equipped with functional flaps, oversized tundra-style tires for rough field operations, and durable shock-absorbing landing gear. The package also includes removable floats with a water rudder, making it ready for takeoffs and landings on lakes, ponds, or snow. LED navigation, landing, and strobe lights are pre-installed, enhancing visibility and scale realism. The aircraft is constructed from durable EPO foam for lightweight yet resilient performance. Battery, charger, and transmitter are sold separately, allowing experienced RC enthusiasts to use existing gear or customize their setup. Overall, the E-Flite Turbo Timber 1.5M is a highly capable STOL aircraft ideal for adventurous pilots who want to fly from almost any surface with power, control, and confidence. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire FX803 RC Airplane is a two-channel remote control aircraft designed specifically for beginners, including both kids and adults. Operating on a 2.4 GHz frequency, it allows for stable flight control without interference, even when multiple planes are flown simultaneously. This lightweight glider is built with durable EPP foam, making it highly resistant to crashes and ideal for new pilots still mastering their flying skills. Equipped with a built-in 6-axis Euro stabilization system, the FX803 ensures smooth and balanced flight performance, even in windy conditions. Its simple two-channel control, left/right and throttle, makes it easy to learn for first-time flyers. The twin-motor design provides sufficient power for takeoffs, turns, and stable gliding. A USB rechargeable battery powers the plane, delivering several minutes of flight time per charge, depending on usage and weather conditions. The FX803 is a ready-to-fly (RTF) model, meaning it comes mostly pre-assembled, with minimal setup required. The package typically includes the airplane, remote controller, battery, USB charger, and spare parts like propellers. Its compact design and lightweight materials also make it safe for younger users, while still providing an enjoyable flying experience. Overall, the Makerfire FX803 is a solid, budget-friendly RC plane tailored for newcomers. Its Euro-assisted stability, durable construction, and beginner-friendly controls make it a great first step into the world of remote-controlled aviation. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a beginner-friendly RC plane designed for both kids and adults, offering an exciting flying experience with intuitive controls and durable construction. This RC plane stands out with 3 selectable flight modes, which include beginner, intermediate, and expert settings, making it adaptable for users of different skill levels. These modes help ensure smoother control and more responsive maneuverability as your confidence grows. The aircraft is equipped with a built-in 6-axis gyroscope, providing enhanced stability during flight. It also features an easy U-turn function, allowing for swift directional changes without complex inputs, ideal for indoor and outdoor flying practice. The lightweight yet durable EPP foam construction ensures resistance against crashes and minor impacts, extending the life of the plane even in the hands of novice pilots. The Leambe RC plane uses 2.4 GHz remote technology, offering a strong, interference-free connection with a decent control range, allowing multiple planes to fly together without signal conflict. It's powered by a rechargeable battery that offers a reasonable flight time per charge, making it a practical option for short flying sessions. Ideal as a gift for kids or hobbyists, this aircraft promotes hand-eye coordination, spatial awareness, and STEM engagement through hands-on operation. With its blend of durability, safety features, and versatile controls, the Leambe RC plane is an excellent introduction to the world of remote-controlled aviation, offering fun and learning in one compact, crash-resistant package.